Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of penny cryptocurrencies. These ultra-low-value cryptos can be a gold mine for savvy investors, potentially turning small investments into massive returns. However, they come with their risks. In this video, we'll explore 3 cheap cryptos under 1 cent that show promise for explosive growth: KangaMoon, Beam, and Book of Meme. Let's get started. 1.
The potential of penny crypto.
Penny cryptos are turning heads in the market with their potential for superior returns. Imagine putting a small amount into a crypto that later explodes in value, making you a millionaire. However, these coins have low prices for a reason. They might have dying communities, weak teams, or lack product market fit. It's crucial to evaluate which cryptos are the best to buy now. While no one can predict the future, these 3 penny cryptos have leveraged blockchain technology, unique use cases, and robust communities. Let's take a closer look. 2. Beam, a GameFi marvel. First on our list is Beam, a remarkable player in the GameFi realm. Beam crypto has gained visibility due to its robust market performance and network development. Its focus on user privacy and transaction anonymity makes Beam stand out in the gaming industry. As the crypto gaming industry evolves, players seek gaming spaces that address in-game asset ownership and transaction security. Beam's unique security focus has garnered renewed interest from gamers and traders alike. In recent days, Beam coin has recorded a consistent price surge thanks to market optimism and increased trading volume. Experts suggest that the price of Beam could reach 0.75 by the end of 2024. Beam is definitely one of the best crypto gaming tokens under 1 cent to buy now. 3. Book of Meme, redefining Web3 culture. Next up is Book of Meme, a penny crypto with significant upside potential. Book of Meme aims to redefine web culture by immortalizing the blockchain. This Solana-based crypto is a primary storage system that facilitates new dimensions of decentralized social media. Its recent market developments have sparked renewed interest in the altcoin. Recently, an unknown trader generated profits over 993x from their 13 Solana token investment in Book of Meme, turning $72K into $2 million in just 3 days. This bullish news has triggered heightened market activities, with trading volume jumping by 114%. Technical indicators suggest that Book of Meme is gearing up for more gains, making it one of the best altcoins to buy and hold as a long-term crypto investment. 4. KangaMoon, Kang, the pre-sale sensation. Finally, let's talk about KangaMoon, Kang, the latest pre-sale sensation that's gained attention due to its robust market performance. KangaMoon was launched to create a vibrant community where gamers and traders interact by engaging in fun-filled challenges and tournaments. Winners earn prizes and rewards through Kang tokens and rare NFTs. Kang token serves as the in-game currency in the Kangaverse. Players can access exclusive games, create and upgrade characters, and buy in-game items in the marketplace. KangaMoon has also partnered with Raid Sharks to release a community engagement bot to enhance fun in the ecosystem. KangaMoon prioritizes its community, allowing Kang holders to earn free tokens by promoting the project online. The project has quickly amassed over 32,000 registered members and around 10,000 active holders on social media. With over 6.9 million raised in pre-sale revenue and a Bitmart exchange listing in Q2, experts see the price of KangaMoon climbing to 0.5. This makes it the best crypto gaming token under 1 cent to buy now. In conclusion, while Beam and Book of Meme navigate market dynamics, KangaMoon has positioned itself for significant success. With a small market capitalization, a play-to-earn economic model, and a utility token that transcends the fleeting hype of NFT gaming tokens, KangaMoon is the best crypto gaming token below 1 cent that investors can stack for potentially 100x returns in Q2. The pre-sale gem has attracted a new wave of investors and traders, reflecting a positive outlook in the coming days. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the hottest trends in cryptocurrency. Let us know in the comments which penny crypto you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay crypto savvy.